Today is Monday, September 10th. The time is 9:06 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2012 Topps Finest Football Break. Break number 4. Good luck, everybody. Ruben Randall, Giants, rookie. Phillip Rivers, refractor, Chargers. Lucky Cuts, #1 draft pick, Colts, Andrew Luck. Fred Jackson, Bills, Patriots, Wes Welker. Morris Claiborne, Cowboys rookie. Aaron Rodgers, Packers. Sam Bradford, Rams. Matt Schwab, Texans. Matthew Stafford, Lions. Jairus Wright, Vikings rookie. Nick Toon, Saints rookie refractor. Josh Freeman, Buccaneers. Vikings, Christian Ponder. Titans, Chris Johnson. DeVere Posey, Texans rookie. Finest Moments, Cedric Benson, Bengals. Ravens, Anquan Bolden. Chiefs, Jamal Charles. Cardinals, Kevin Cobb. Panthers, Luke Hueshkely, rookie. Finest Atomic rookie, Colts, Kobe Fleener. Mark Sanchez, Jets. Matt Ryan, Falcons. Calvin Johnson, Lions. The last pack of the first mini box. Nick Toon, Saints rookie. Colts, jersey autograph. Serial numbered 75 out of 1,353. T.H. Hilton. Steve Smith, Panthers. Antonio Gates, Chargers. Javid Best, Lions. Second mini box. Justin Blackman, Jaguars rookie. Bernard Pierce, Ravens, refractor. Reggie Bush, Dolphins. Darren Sproles, Saints. Darren McFadden, Raiders. Redskins, Robert Griffin, rookie. Jets, Sean Green, refractor. Ben Roethlisberger, Steelers. Tom Brady, Patriots. Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals. Doug Martin, Buccaneers rookie. Jason Pierre-Paul, Giants refractor. Jermichael Finley, Packers. Rashard Mendenhall, Steelers. Roddy White, Falcons. Bengals, Mohamed Sanu, rookie. Saints, Finest Moments, Drew Brees. Michael Turner, Falcons. Ray Rice, Ravens. Ryan Fitzpatrick, Bills. Seahawks, Russell Wilson, rookie. Finest Atomic rookie, Trent Richardson, Browns. Vikings, Adrian Peterson. Giants, Hakeem Nicks. Saints, Marquise Colston. And the last pack, Vikings, Greg Childs, rookie. Rams, rookie autograph, serial number 260 out of 1368, Chris Gibbons. Serial number 74 out of 99, Marshawn Lynch, refractor. Doug Baldwin, Seahawks. And the last card, Bears, Brandon Marshall. Thank you everybody for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Currently listed for football box breaks. I have another 2012 Topps Finest. Also listed 2012 Topps Inception. 2011 Panini Prime Signatures, and 2011 Panini Gold Standard. For basketball box breaks, I have 2011-12 Panini Gold Standard, and 2011-12 Panini Limited. For hockey box breaks, I have the brand new 2011-12 Panini Prime Signatures.